So this intake kit fits the 2007 to 2017 Toyota Tundra and Sequoia 5.7 liter and the 2010 to 2017 Tundra Sequoia 4.6 liter. So let's get started. The first step is going to be removing the negative terminal on the battery. Next, you're going to remove the engine cover by lifting up and pulling out. Remove the mass airflow sensor and disconnect the vacuum lines. Loosen the clamp on the stock intake tube. Unclip the box clamps and then remove the stock intake tube from the vehicle. Once you remove the stock filter, you're going to loosen the bolts that are securing the stock airbox down to the vehicle. There's one in the front and one in the back. Now you can take the airbox fully out of the vehicle. Go grab your stock intake tube because now you're going to remove the mass airflow sensor. With your brand new S&B intake tube, go ahead and install your mass airflow sensor and be sure to secure it down with the hardware provided. Next, you're going to take the white hose barb and the provided hose and you're going to install them together, and then you're going to attach it to the vacuum line that's still in the vehicle. Now go back to your brand new S&B airbox and install the two grommets onto the bottom. Now we are going to put this bolt and washer and the spacer into the airbox. Next, we're going to install the silicone tube seal and fender seal onto your brand new airbox. Now it's time for you to decide whether or not you want to install your optional silicone box plug. So leaving the box plug out will give you more airflow, but your filter will get dirtier faster. By installing the box plug, you're going to get less airflow, but you won't have to service your filter as often. For the purpose of this video, we're going to install the box plug. Now we're going to put the new intake box into the vehicle and secure it down with the hardware provided. Now back to the intake tube where you're going to install the grommet and the hose adapter. Install the clamp and the coupler onto the throttle body and then secure it down. Install the clamp onto the coupler and then install the intake tube through the airbox. Once that's in, tighten down the clamp. Install the clamp onto the provided hose, and then install the hose onto the new intake tube and tighten it down. Reconnect the vacuum hose onto the hose adapter. Don't forget to reconnect the mass airflow sensor. Now it's time to install the filter. So remember, you always have your choice of cotton cleanable or dry extendable. For the purpose of this video, we're going to install the cotton cleanable. Make sure the filter is fully on the intake tube and then tighten it down. Install the lid seal into the grooves of the airbox. After you've removed the protective layer from the lid, install it onto your airbox. Tighten down the screws, but don't over tighten. Now, just reinstall your engine cover. Don't forget to reconnect the negative terminal on the battery. Alright guys, so the install is done, and I hope this video helped you out along the way. But if it didn't and you do have more questions, you can always give us a call or you can chat us in on our website, sbfilters.com, and I'll see you next time.